Ready? Hello? Hi guys.
Well folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I am at Buggy Hideaway again for this time a trophy race. This is their 1-year anniversary, 1-year birthday of this store. A more elaborate track style setup for the Tamiya mini 4-wheel drive racing and trophies today. And yeah, we're about to get started. It's going to be a 2-day race, Saturday and Sunday. Today we're going to run Pro Stock, Tuned, and B-Max. Tomorrow it's going to be Kids Box Stock, and a new class is going to be called Super Stock, which allows you to run the same type of weighted, fully upgraded car as you can in a B-Max or a B-Tuned, but with a stock silver can motor. I'm not sure how that's going to go. I think it's going to be really slow, but for today, I'm here on the Saturday, and I'm going to be running 2 cars, just trying to keep costs down. I'm just going to run 2 cars. It's an entry fee per car, and on the trophy races, the entry fee is a little bit higher because it's $10 per car because of the trophies and the prizes you can win. So I'm going to run this FMA in Pro Stock. I've got a torque tune motor on the super hard tire. FMA with the Rowdy Bull body is going to be my Pro Stock. And then for tuned, I'm going to take the motor out of this once I'm done that class, put it into this car, and then this will be my my tuned car. And I don't think I'm going to run B-Max today because the competition is really steep and I don't have really the equipment to run a top tier B-Max car. So this looks like the prize setup for the Pro Stock. So the first place winner is going to win the Lord Giel chassis. It's an FMA. Second place gets some goodies, and third place gets some goodies. And I'm sure there'll be more added to the pot as the day goes on. Still just in practice mode right now. Got some hard 90s here. We'll see how well the cars stay in. They put this grade up because that's the most likely spot to fly out, as well as coming off this transition. This is the crossover. So if you can hold into those 2 corners, I think you're pretty safe. The rest of the course seems all right. Here's some of the Pro Stock cars. Pro Stock has started, first round. One down.
Buggy out.
Go to the back.
Out.
A lot of people flying out there. I thought so.
We got John. Lane 1. Lane 2. Lane 3.
Okay, I'm in lane 3. Here we go.
It's already set up there.
Yeah, what's this?
Ready? Hello? Hi guys.
That's my Pro Stock with a torque tune motor. One out. Front roller. I'm still in, but I'm out now. Oh, I tested it before. It held in. Flew out this time. That's too bad. First loser. Already lost one. Nice winner. All right, first loser.
Winner 1.
Already there.
Hopefully I can come back from that.
What happened? Why you jump?
We've got a lot of cars flying out. That's what the screaming was about. I ended up ejecting over here on the upper level. Yeah, I'm already in the loser's bracket. Gotta try and come back from that. Alright, this is my last chance. I'm in 2? I think I'm in 2. Alright, so I'm out in Pro Stock. There.
Hey.
Oh, I'm backwards. I just did a spin. Crazy. Oh, I'm out.
Last man standing. Last man standing.
Oh, we all get to go again. Everyone failed, so we get one more chance. This is good for me. This is good for me. Where's my car?
We race. Can I have boss?
We're gonna have to clip it back in again. It's
Boss
keep
Jack,
holders.
can I have people right there? Lane 3, lane 2.
All right, that's it for the Rowdy Bull. It's worked during practice,
Yes,
but not
sir.
during the races. So I'm out in pro stock. I'll come back in tune. All right, we're heading into the finals. We got to do 6 laps. This is the finalists. This is pro stock.
Racers ready?
You have to complete 6 laps. This is the finals. You have to complete 6 laps. They're all pretty spread apart. We have one in a pretty commanding lead if he doesn't. All right.
Ready?
Heck yeah. Congrats.
Ready,
Winners of pro stock. Well done, guys. Nice little prize package there. Well done. All right, now I'm going to run in tuned. This allows me to run all of the weights and balances and rollers and upgrade parts that you can on a B-Max, but with the lower end tuned motor instead of the dash motor. So I've got a orange torque tuned motor in there. We're going to try it with the mock frame. And most of the upgrades that are on this, besides the metal rollers, came out of the balance starter kit. This here. This is where I got most of my plates, and the side weights is from this kit. It's a good affordable way to get started into getting some of these parts that you need, like the FRP plates and the rear brakes. All right, let's see if we can stay out of the losers bracket at the very beginning. Actually, because I've raced the mock frame so much, I want to try and see if it'll stay in with the Geoglider. I really like the look of the Geoglider body, but so far it hasn't been a great performer on track. Try it and see if it stays in with a slower tuned motor. It was not staying in on pro stock even, but we didn't have the weights and the brakes and stuff. We've got some practice time here. We're just between pro stock and tuned.
If you want to go together.
Yeah, let's go. Pro stock. Okay, go. I'm in tuned. See if I stay in. All right, the Geoglider is staying in so far. Looks a little slow. Looks very slow. Maybe the torque tune motor is not the ideal motor for this layout. Anyway, it stayed in. Well, when we're doing some reconnaissance here, look, I found a black edition Geoglider, and if you peek in through the motor plate, you can see it's got an orange end bell, which means it also has a torque tune motor, which is the same as where I'm running. Looks like a softer tire. The only major difference is the front mounted weights versus mine. The weights are at the back. We'll try.
Racers ready?
Whoa, out. This is still B-tuned. Well, if you remember before, the Ella glitter's been upgraded. And he's about to
You're
go now.
one,
He's
you're
got
two,
silver
you're
carbon
three.
on it now, looking beautiful. We'll see how it performs. Oh, got caught on the side. That's a VZ chassis. Oh, they're speeding up. Whoa, this is fast. Whoa! Pinky's the winner. That was a fast car.
Joe. John.
If I stay in with the Geoglider, I am losing. I am very slow on that sideways corner. I think I got too much brake. I'm staying in, but look at how much I slow down. Oh yeah, I have too much braking, way too much braking. Oh, 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 interference. I don't know what that means. Does that mean we re-go or did I get second? I don't know. I think it just means we both lost because the winner kept clean, so he got to win.
29, 33, 32.
This is all the losers
29
versus the winners.
33.
So if I lose again, I'm out. In Home Depot, these Husky drawers, I use these for RC tools, and the size of these is perfect for these mini four-wheel drive cars. As you can see, Joe has a new setup here using the Husky drawer system. It's pretty slick for car storage. Very nice, good idea. So they've resorted. This is the losers bracket. I'll be in the third losers bracket. These will be the two cars I'm up against. The green and the blue versus my white. See how we do. If I lose in this round, I'm out. Go, my last chance.
Alvin even go.
Alvin lane 1, John lane 2, Joe lane 3.
Good luck, Montreal.
Racers ready.
I'm gonna lose anyway. I'm too slow. Got too much braking. Oh, I'm still in. You're still in. You're leading.
Guys, I need people right there, please.
I can't see.
Guys, I need people right there. Go.
You're winning by a quarter of a lap. Fly up, fly up, fly up, fly up. And Joe wins and I lose. I am out. We're too slow. If I had a came earlier and tuned my car better, I would have been running less braking because I think that's what was slowing me down. I have the rest of the tuning is okay for like motor speed and RPM and stuff. But on the side hill, I am noticeably slower than everyone else. And on the up and the downs, I think my brake is just too grabby. Here are the prizes for tuned. I forgot to mention it. So you win a Shining Scorpion Super 2 as the winning prize, plus some other stuff. We're still working through the losers bracket in tuned.
Winner, lane 3. Racers ready.
This is a close race. Everyone's very close in this one. Who won that? I don't know.
Here, jump.
I missed the finals. I was busy working on gearing changes for tomorrow, and I missed the tune finals, but Jom won it. So he won the finals and I missed the announcement. We'll record tomorrow and see how box stock and super stock goes. Anyway, we'll come back tomorrow. We'll run much slower stuff. We'll run the fully box stock and super stock.